This 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 4-car garage Northstar floor plan offers 3,970 square feet of move-in ready space, features brick and stone masonry, and a covered front porch that offers amazing curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom double-door entry to the foyer of this Northstar floor plan, you'll find an elegant formal dining room with vaulted ceiling and custom picture frame and chair rail molding. Across from the dining room is a formal living room or private study with stained-grade crown molding and double French doors. The kitchen comes complete with stainless steel appliances, a 5-burner gas cooktop with pot filler, built-in double oven and microwave, luxurious granite countertops, and a center island with plenty of storage and workspace. The adjacent breakfast nook is bathed in natural light and flows seamlessly into the family room, where you'll find more crown molding and a beautiful floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace with custom mantel. The private master suite features a vaulted ceiling and private patio access. Escape to the luxurious master bath with spa-quality features, including an oversized walk-in shower with seamless glass enclosure, a relaxing garden tub, and dual vanities with granite countertops. 2 additional secondary bedrooms and another full bath complete the first floor. Upstairs, you'll find a media room with vaulted ceiling and surround sound wiring and a 4th bedroom with full bath. Call or visit Gallery Custom Homes to find out more about building the Northstar plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.